This review is of Nature's Path Organic Love Crunch Premium Organic Granola, Dark Chocolate, and Peanut Butter. Love Crunch. Gotta love it. USDA Organic Non-GMO, Fair Trade Dark Chocolate, Peanut Butter, and Roasted Peanuts. Certified Organic by QAI. It's got 13 grams of whole grain, Parov, Bite for Bite. What is this? Bite for Bite program. I wish they would have at least said that it's what it means in a very brief way. Our Organic Promise. Unique marriage of taste of love. $1 million of food bank love. Oh, okay, so they donate to charity. Fantastic. Low sodium, no trans fats. Nutrition facts. A quarter cup has got 5 grams of fat, of which half a gram is saturated, 1 gram of PUFA, 3 of MUFA, no cholesterol, 75 milligrams of sodium, 18 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 6 are sugars that are added, and 4 grams of protein. And sadly, lots of sugar. At least the oats are whole grain, but then, so that's starch. Then there's cane sugar. There is some sugar in peanut butter, most likely. Then there's the dark chocolate, which is cheap dark chocolate because its number one ingredient is sugar. And it's got vanilla. And then there's starch from rice and salt. Tocopherols, let's see, for vitamin E. Vegan. Let's give this a try. Wow. The chocolate is very, very soft. Even though it is not particularly warm in here. I'm a little bit chilly wearing this short sleeve button down with my hat and long and jeans. And yet, the chocolate is not solid. See? Why? Did they use too much cocoa butter or something? I don't know. Well, dark chocolate and peanut butter, not particularly. Does it taste like dark chocolate and peanut butter? Like I said, not particularly. I'll give it a 3. As far as the flavor by itself, it's not bad. I mean, it's a little bit like graham cracker. So I'll give it a 6.5. It's nothing amazing. But, at least it's organic, non-GMO and stuff. But way too much sugar. And weird chocolate. It's 69 degrees. So, it should be solid. It's not like it's 90 degrees. So that's a bit. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know if they like put the. There's no indication that they put the peanut butter and chocolate together. Maybe they added something into it. I don't know. It must have been like a lot of cocoa butter, because I really don't know. Too much cocoa butter and sugar maybe. All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Afia to you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day.